Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for your great support always. I'm so grateful for your continued support to this channel. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Now, Kenyans, this is just a breaking news as High Court issues a conservatory orders stopping the replacement of Rigathi as the deputy president until 24th October 2024 when the matter will be heard. Now, Kenyans, as I was just looking at this conservatory order that has just come from our courts, I want us to go through this letter so that we can understand what next possibly. But before we read this letter, just do me a favor, as you always do, ensure you like the video. When you like the video, you automatically support the work that I'm doing this channel, because sometimes you watch the video and you forget liking the video. So this is just a reminder, as you watch, ensure you like the video. So thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, for that like. Now this letter says that it's coming from our courts. You can see the seal of the government and the seal of our courts. It says Republic of Kenya in the High Court of Kenya at Nairobi City. Court name, Milimani Law Courts. Case number ndio hiyo. Then citation is that Rigathi GACHAGUA versus State Law Office and Senate and 3 others. Orders court document. Now, the letter says, this matter coming up for directions on the notice of motion and petition both dated 18th October 2024. Before Honorably Justice E.C. Mwita, and upon considering the pleadings, supporting affidavits and attachment, I am satisfied that the petition and application raise monumental constitutional issues touching not only at the heart of functioning constitution, but also its fundamental tenets of the rule of law and human rights. Now, it is hereby ordered as a matter of urgency. Number 1, that the pleading be served immediately and be responded to within 3 days after service. Number 2, that due the significance of issues raised in the petition and application, I certify this matter as raising substantial questions of law and public interest, and therefore fit to be heard by bench of an even number of judges to be appointed by the Honorable the Chief Justice. The file be placed before the Honorable Chief Justice immediately for consideration in that regard. Number 3, that in the meantime, due to the issue raised in the petition and application, and the agency demonstrated a conservatory order is hereby issued, staying implementation of the resolution by the Senate upholding the impeachment charges against the petitioner. The Deputy President of Kenya, including appointment of his replacement until 24th October 2024, when the matter will be mentioned before the bench to be appointed by the Chief Justice for appropriate orders and action. Given under my hand and seal of the Honorable Court, this 18th day of October 2024. So remember, penal notice is, take notice that any disobedience or non-observance of the order of court served herewith will result in penal consequences to you and any other persons disobeying and not observing the same. Signed by Honorable Justice E.C. Mwita. Ladies and gentlemen, This is the letter that is coming from the judiciary of Kenya. Now, I want to say this. As you can even see clearly, that Kindiki Kithure has been approved the next deputy president by the National Assembly through a voting process. And even I expected that Kindiki Kithure is going to be sworn in today, this evening. Or if it is late, tomorrow morning. But as we speak, there is a conservatory order. But again, are you sure they are going to respect this? Or Kindiki Kithure is likely to be sworn in today or tomorrow morning? But again, the penal notice that court is giving these individuals, that is William Ruto and his punies, that take notice that any disobedience or non-observance of the order of court served herewith will result in penal consequences to you and any other person disobeying and not observing the same. So it means that no deputy president, no new deputy president until the end of 24th, where the case is going to be settled and sealed. But again, I've seen someone called Ahmed Nasir Abdullah is coming out to say this, that Honorable Rigathi Gachagua fought the good fight and lost it. He should stop this court circus and move on. The office of the deputy president is a public office, and both the president and legislature don't want him in the office. Gachagua should know that he can't hold the office through court orders. So that is what Ahmed Nasir Abdullahi is coming out to deliver this evening or this afternoon. But again, the question I'm having, which I'm not sure and I cannot say here, that I'm sure that court is going to rescue Rigathi Gachagua. I'm not sure, and I will not lie to this channel. The only thing that I expect is that, as I ask simple question, was the due process followed as per the constitution and the rule of law? Because truly you can understand that we are in a country that, yes, both president and legislature don't want Rigathi Gachagua. But again, are they doing it in a way with the respect of the rule of law? That is the question we are asking. Because this is now beyond us. We can't say anything. We can't storm the streets. We demonstrate. We say Ruto must go or Rigathi Gachagua must remain. It is beyond us because William Ruto has played this together with his punies and they have managed to overthrow Rigathi Gachagua. But the truth of the matter, and I will stand with this, as much as you can convince me that it was a political process, but the rule of law was not followed. If truly Rigathi Gachagua was sick yesterday, and a time frame of 10 days, equal may elapse, why were they hurrying? Even wangesema, we cannot take it to Tuesday, or we cannot take it to Monday because it will be holiday from Sunday. Now we cannot take it to Saturday. Can we take it Friday, today? At least wangepea Rigathi Gachagua some 24 hours or even some 12 hours ya kupumzika, then angekuja present. Then this impeachment wangefanya wamalizane na Rigathi Gachagua. But even as they are claiming it is a political process, Kenyans, listen to me. We are having a country where a president dictates everything. He has pocketed the legislature, he has pocketed the judiciary, and he has pocketed the executive. In other words, you can't expect justice be served in courts. Number 2, justice be served in the executive. Number 3, justice be served in legislature. The man has squandered these all 3 arms of the government. He is in control. That is where we are. And that is what William Ruto did very early. Immediately he was sworn in the office. And later he realized that he never captured the opposition. And now he has managed to squander. He has squandered the opposition. So William Ruto, yeye ndio kusema. Kesha anaweza amua hata angekuwa na uwezo asema hakuna kupumua kwa hii nchi. Hamngepumua, hakuna hewa. Akwetu na yeye na familia yake na marafiki zake. Sisi tungekuwa tumekufa. But William Ruto, his fate is going to be sealed someday. Which some individuals who are supporting William Ruto, they are not seeing. William Ruto's fate will be sealed someday. So these punies who are going around William Ruto celebrating, praising, worshipping William Ruto, one day they will be answered. Ladies and gentlemen, I don't want to go past that. Please give your opinion at the comment section below. Otherwise, thank you so much because of your great support. Please consider subscribing, liking, commenting, and sharing this video. Bye-bye till you meet in another video.